Happy holidays, everyone. I'm here on the floor with, of course, Jonathan Corpina, one of our favorite interviewees of the year. Jonathan, how's your 2018 going so far?
Looking forward for it to wind down. It's been such a choppy last few months. I think we're all ready to close the books and move forward.
I think we're all ready for 2019, not just with stocks, but in general. We didn't have any seasons this year. We had a lot of volatility in the market. But Jonathan, what was your favorite session of the year?
My favorite session of the year. Wow, that's interesting. Not one particularly one that stands out, but clearly, if I look in a short period of time, last week we had a great trading session where the markets were down tremendous, and we wound up, going from red to green, and it took a lot of power and energy and muscle to get there. That just shows me that investors do believe in this market, that our markets do work, and that we're able to overcome when we see these big flush outs. So hopefully we continue to see flush outs and our markets move higher.
I think it's festive, green to red, red to green. We all have the holiday spirit, even here at the New York Stock Exchange. Anything take you by surprise this year?
One thing that's taken me by surprise, and I think it's more of a headline thing, is that I've been always been focusing on North Korea, and to see the way that whole thing has started in one direction, turned itself around after a meeting, everyone became best friends, that headline went quiet for a while, and now slowly it's starting to pick its head back up again, right? There's some reports that the program that was supposed to be canceled has not. It might actually be expanding. So that's one headline that I think hasn't really gotten enough attention, because that can clearly escalate into something. We have our other issues between tariffs and interest rates and oil prices. I get all that, and that all plays part to it. But the North Korean headline sometimes goes away, and people shouldn't forget about that one.
So much has happened this year. I can't believe I almost forgot about that one.
Right. And that's what's so scary, right? I mean, we've got a conflict with North Korea. They're building nuclear missiles, and that's not the major headline.
So what is your expectation for 2019?
I think on the short term, I'm hoping, and I think this kind of goes across the board, that we get some additional information transparency on tariffs. How is that going to play out? How is that going to affect everybody? I think anybody can understand and realize that when tariffs are going to be imposed, how that really trickles down to the consumer. That affects you, me, and everybody who's watching. So I think any information that we get out of that, I think, is going to be important. Clearly, interest rates, as we continue to follow through with that and see how the Fed plays there, and oil prices. We've seen oil prices come down tremendously. Investors, Main Street, feel that immediately. I was down traveling in the South, and I saw $1.75 a gallon last week, which blew my mind, because I haven't seen a dollar handle in a long time. But I think investors are going to continue to see that, because as oil prices move, investors feel that immediately in the pump.
It's like I haven't seen that number since the 70s, and I wasn't even born in the 70s.
I saw it yesterday. I should have taken a picture of it.
That is so interesting. Well, you know what, Jonathan? From Modern Wall Street, we really appreciate your time, and we wanted to give you a little present on behalf of Modern Wall Street.
So much, and you tell Jimmy I said thank you.
Absolutely. We love you. It was a treat to have you for 2018.
Appreciate all you do for us down here. You guys are down here from the floor, filming from the floor, always giving great insight in timely manner, so we really appreciate that.
Well, thank you so much, Jonathan. I really look forward to 2019 now.
Can we open this?
Of course. Well, so I was stalking your Instagram and your Twitter, and I saw you like the 7 fishes for dinner, right?
Yes, very nice. This is excellent. I might have to open this on the trading desk.
I know.
If I hide it, if they find it, they're going to want to open it. So.
It might be gone by then.
That's right. It might be. We'll see how today ends up.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Jonathan.
you so much. Really appreciate all your help.
Oh,